good. What's going on?
Oh, stopped by to say hi. Been out doing some grocery shopping.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, please don't.
You like that one a lot better than your little,
Well, this one, for pure flying pleasure, no. I was just talking about that. For heavy lift in the aerial video, this one's better.
How much do you think you can lift with that?
2 kilos.
Wow. How much does it weigh? How much does the airframe itself weigh?
I'm not sure, but I'm running 6400 11S here, and they're 500 grams each over.
So it's probably around a kilo itself, and it'll pick up twice as.
Yeah. This, before I was breaking props, so I changed to these German ones.
Yeah.
But I lifted 2 of these batteries.
Really?
Yeah, and it had plenty of pep, like, you know, punch out climb.
And that's a weak battery too, isn't it? Those are Venom.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
I think they're only 20C,
Yeah.
but they're 6400 milliamp hours, and you know, for what I'm trying to do, I'm looking for duration,
Right.
and without the camera, the Tupperware, I was getting up to 18 minutes.
Wow, that's killer.
Yeah, so I'd like to get it up to 30, and then I got a GPS on it now, and I can plant it. So what I want to do is like events where I can plant it like a crane and get a perspective, and then with the other one fly around and get like action.
Can
and
it
then
plant and chase, or does it just plant? You said it's chase.
no, with this one is a kind of a fundamental GPS. I can plant it, and then with a better, I'm using a Spectrum, so I don't have a real fail safe. I could get like a return to home.
Yeah.
So if I lost signal, like if I fly, and that's what I'd kind of like. I'd like to fly it out of my visual, and then, you know, have it come back without.
Good deal.
Thanks.
Good seeing you again, man.
Yeah, come on out, and or let me know when you're gonna crawl. I'm kind of looking for some stuff to try again now that I don't have that shake so much.
Well, and we've got a couple really cool new scale crawlers doing some just really cool, realistic looking ones right now.
Well, maybe you and I just, when it's a nice weekend, just pop somewhere close and then do some video.
Yeah. All right. Sounds good, man.
All right.
Take it easy.
Have a nice weekend.
What is in here?
That's the camera. Oh shoot, I didn't even turn it off. What the hell, my head's at?